You love XRP. You believe in XRP. You've been holding it since 2017. What if you could earn yield and still diamond hand it? With Flare, you can transform those coins into FAssets, smart contract-ready versions you can actually use in DeFi. That means earning yield, providing liquidity, or staking for rewards. No middlemen, no centralized bridges, no giving up control. Here's how it works. Pick an agent, lock up some collateral, and send XRP to the agent's address on XRPL. The minting process only takes a few minutes. The FAssets system verifies everything and gives you shiny new FXRP, ready to plug into every DeFi protocol on the Flywheel and yield-generating chain. Want your original XRP back? No problem. Redeem anytime. Simple, secure, and trustless. Behind the scenes, a decentralized network of agents, liquidators, and challengers keeps the system running. Always over-collateralized, always on guard. Flare isn't just bridging XRP, it's building the entire financial stack around it. Learn more about what you can do with your FXRP in our next video.